Before distributing a PDF file, you may want to redact sensitive information. With the Redact toolbar displayed, select the text or images you want to redact. Click and drag to select an area to be redacted, or double-click to select a single word. The selected areas are outlined. Click on Apply to remove the information. It is very important to note that once the file is saved, the redactions cannot be undone. You may wish to rename the file when saving if you need to preserve the original information. Although the default appearance of redacted content is a black rectangle, it is possible to select another color or even specific text to fill the area that has been redacted. From the Redact Text and Images command, select Properties before marking entries for redaction. These properties will be applied to subsequent markings, but will not change the appearance of any previously marked items. Click on the Redacted Area Fill Color box to change the color that will appear in place of redacted content. In this case, anything that is redacted will be covered with a white rectangle. This can be useful if you want to hide text without drawing attention to the fact that it was redacted. Mark the areas you want to redact and click on Apply. For brevity, we have skipped the advisory messages that display each time you choose to apply redactions. Notice that the newest redaction is displayed as a white box, but the ones we previously applied have not changed. Rather than redact the sensitive information using a colored rectangle, you can cover it with text. Check the Use Overlay Text box. Either type the custom text or select a redaction code. Change the color of the text and the fill area if desired. You can also change the outline and fill colors for the redaction mark that appears before it has been applied. After clicking on OK, these settings become the new default. Select the text. As you hover over it, you see how it will appear when the redaction has been applied. Right-click on a mark to repeat it across pages. Choose the pages on which you want to repeat the redaction and click on OK. Navigate through the file to verify that the redaction has been placed in the same location on each page. There may be situations when you need to redact an entire page or series of pages. From the Redact Text and Images dropdown, select Redact Pages. Indicate which pages you want to redact. Hovering over the page displays the redaction as it will appear when applied. Acrobat has a feature which allows you to automatically search for and mark strings of text for redaction. From the drop-down menu, select Find Text and Redact. This feature cannot discover images, and you should carefully check the results. The search pane opens. In this case, we want to redact phone numbers. Select Patterns from the Search For list. Select Phone Numbers from the Pattern drop-down list. Review the summary of what will be searched. If this is what you want, click on Search and Remove Text. All potential matches are displayed in the results list. Select them individually or click on Check All. Notice the redaction mark options, which allow you to select a portion of the selected text to redact. For example, you may want to retain the last 4 digits of the numbers to help you identify them while still preserving confidentiality. Specify the number of characters, including punctuation, that you want to redact. Then choose whether to start redacting at the beginning or end of the string. Click on Mark Checked Results for redaction. Close the search pane. All of the selected items are marked as indicated by the outlines, but have not yet been redacted. Click on Apply. Review the results carefully, as it is possible some items did not exactly match the pattern and were not redacted.